members from Bridgewood. This is the second episode and the second meal we're gonna prepare for you, a lo mein pasta. First of all, we use a little bit sesame oil, the lo mein sauce, we got some of the shrimps, the vegetables, cabbage, bell peppers, broccoli, and little cauliflower. We got the pasta, and we got the scallions. It's all the products we use it to make the lo mein. So we will throw a little bit of the sesame oil on the pan. We have to wait a little to get a little bit hot to cook the shrimps. Approximately gonna take like 2-3 minutes just to cook it at the shrimps. We don't need to put like a little bit salt and pepper because the sauce they got all the ingredients we use it to get this special flavor. We can see the shrimps when they start to change the color. It's gonna be ready to serve the vegetables. We throw the vegetables on it. Don't do this at home because you're gonna throw everything away. We throw a little more sesame oil. Yes, we have to cook it up approximately like at least like a minute, the vegetables, because those kind of vegetables is better taste when it is a little bit crunchy. So then we put a little bit on the lo mein sauce. Some of the people, they like to get a little bit more sauce on it because they like to taste it. And some of the people just like to get a little bit touch just to combine all the flavors together. Because this special sauce is a little bit sweet on it. It's a homemade recipe. Hoisin sauce, a little bit honey, brown sugar, ginger, and garlic, and some of the vinegar too on it. So basically the pasta is ready. A little bit scallions, green onions, and the dish is ready.